Stepan, honey, hurry up. We are late for our concert. Are you ready?
Yes, honey, of course, I'm ready.
It smells bad. What is this? Is it the garbage that smells? Did you take out the garbage?
What do you mean? The garbage that stands under stairs?
Yes, the garbage that I put 2 days before under the stairs. Did you took it out?
Yeah, I have already took it out.
But it smells bad. What is this? Oh,
But I think it's not a garbage dump.
what is this?
I think it's smoke. It's marijuana smoke.
Marijuana smoke?
And it comes from Louis' room.
Oh my God! Please, honey, can you go and check what he's doing?
Yeah,
Is he
okay.
ready or does he smoke really marijuana?
Louis, I feel the smoke of marijuana that comes from your room.
I don't smoke marijuana today. That the other dust you smell come from your feet.
Really? Oh, I forgot to change my socks.
You have to change that, please.
Yeah, you're right, I'll do it.
Hey guys, hurry up! We are late. Ellen, where are you? Are you ready, Ellen?
No,
What's going on?
I'm not coming. I
Why?
really feel bad, and I'm thinking that I'm vote now.
What's going on, honey? And what is that smell on your room? Is it a cat pee? Is it the cat that your friend brought yesterday?
No, Mom, it's not the cat that my friend brought yesterday. The cat ran away. By the way, I think it's your underarm wonder, Mom.
What? No, it's the new perfume that your dad gave me. It smells good. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up, we are late, guys. Hurry up.
Yeah,
Hi, welcome to our hostel paradise. How can I help you?
I want to rent a room, but I have a really small amount of money.
Hey, don't worry.
And by the way, there is outside the hostel a guy, a strange guy, who has a vomit in his chest. Is it okay?
Yes, don't worry about this.
Oh, young lady, listen to me. I live here and it's okay. Could you imagine in my floor I have an independent woman who loves cats so much that I have cat pees everywhere.
Oh my God.
Oh my God! I live in 35 room. Where your stuff? You need to clean my room. Can you?
Can you imagine?
Sure, but what problem do you have?
I don't know.
Actually, this morning we cleaned your room.
We need to clean. That has many dirty diapers.
Oh, from who?
From the dog.
That's really a problem.
Okay, listen to me. I'm going to leave the hostel. I can't live with a roommate who has a very bad breath. He has smelly feet.
I'm sorry, hold on. What kind of smell do you feel?
It smells like rotten eggs I prepared 2 weeks ago.
Oh my God! I'm not sure that I want to rent.
Don't listen to these guys. I want to tell you something. We have a special hostel. Yes, it's not just
Why?
regular hostel. We have good offer for every guest. You can smoke marijuana everywhere. Had in this morning little more than baby. So and also you can buy it in our hostel for a good price.
Can someone just please bring me water, which we bought yesterday?
Oh, I'll bring it to you.
Oh my God, what's it?
Oh, what's happening?
Oh,
Wonder-
I just stepped into the something wet that was in the kitchen.
Wonder if it is dog pee that stay at home all day.
Where is my water?
Oh my God, it's at the table.
It smells so terrible. Can I
Maybe I'm gonna vomit. Can someone join me, please?
I feel sick too. I am the one who ate rotten egg yesterday.
What?
Oh my god.
Hello. This is super service. Hello.
I'm listening.
Okay, hello. I have a so bad situation. This is like hell. We with our nervous to stuck in the elevator, and this is so crazy. Here a woman with child who cries all time because he has dirty diaper.
Oh,
my
really?
God.
Who's
Yes.
this?
Yes. You wanted to say
I want
something?
to say too.
Yeah, sure.
One of them.
Hi. I'm listening. What's the problem?
One of them who is a woman who has a big bag of the trash that includes a
Oh
rotten egg.
shit.
You want to say?
Hi, there is a woman that she came from the park and she stepped in the dog poop and her shoes smell very bad.
Really?
Cannot
Are you
control
kidding
the
me?
smell. Yeah.
Oh, it's impossible.
There is a woman who all
Hi.
time told about dirty ashtray which her boyfriend never cleaned. It's so loudly, my head break now.
Hello?
Hi. What's the problem?
The problem is there here two guys who had addiction to marijuana. It smells very horrible, terrible.
Oh, it's awful.
Please.
Please, this is our problem.
Okay, I'm sorry. Do you have any idea?
Yes, we need to free them.
Oh, you need freedom. Okay, maybe I can help you. I will try. Please call me 10 minutes later, okay?
Hi guys, I have 5 tickets to the concert I'm starting tonight, which is a little place in the Sophie Stadium. Do you want to join it to me?
Yes! That's very good. We're gonna have so much time. So much fun. That will be great.
Yeah.
We're gonna have so much fun. Okay, but I want to know, will Peter will be with us? Because last time when we had a party, Peter vomited on my new dress, which is very, very expensive.
Oh, I have an expensive dress too. I hope Peter will not come with us today. And I hate people who have the bad breath.
No way, look, Peter come.
Hi guys, I'm glad to see you. I have a big bag of marijuana. Smoke. It's marijuana which makes us happy. I have a new taste. Smells like rotten egg, but I swear it's good shit.
Okay, let's go to the concert. But for this time, just drink alcohol.
Yeah, I agree. Maybe we have to spend time without marijuana and reading, which is smell like a smelly feet, and we wouldn't vomit to each other. This time.
Let's go.
That was how our party started.
Okay, group, we're in LA. It's one of the most famous cities in the world, and we're on a walk of flame. We need to feel this place, we need to enjoy this place. But can you smell it? What it smells like? I think it's marijuana.
It kind of smells like a garbage dump. What do you think it smells like?
No. It's maybe cat pee.
In my opinion, it's a rotten egg that was left here for a long time ago.
No, I don't think so. It smells like a fart.
I think it's a smell dirty diet. I asked for security and he said just the smell of LA.